Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie. If you've never been here before, welcome. This is Unfiltered 50s. And in today's video, I am so excited. I am going to be talking to you today about two of my favorite things, skincare and Goldiebox. If you don't know, Goldiebox is a new subscription box on the market. This subscription box is curated by my dear friend Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. And she is quite the informational source for all things FabFitFun and quite a number of other subscription box services. And she has sought to just basically take all of the things that she loved from the subscription box service and everything that maybe she didn't love from the subscription box forum and bring all of those together and curate a new subscription box, Goldieboxed, and take all of the good, get rid of all of the bad, and have one really awesome subscription box. And whenever I say that it is awesome, wow, it really is awesome. The first box out of the gate was great, and this box is shaping up to be even better. I want to say that it is definitely, I will say, it's definitely a beauty and lifestyle subscription box. It is a seasonal box. And I wanted to say, that it's kind of like maybe CosBox, maybe FabFitFun, but you know what? It's kind of more, it kind of has a little bit more of that bougie feel than that, because some of the items that she's putting in, some of the jewelry picks, she's just really doing her research well. And some of the choice items that she's giving us is just absolutely amazing. I'm just thrilled with the choices as they come out in the spoilers, and I'm really having a hard time narrowing down my picks. But let's get into it. Let me tell you a little bit first about the box before we get into my spoiler. This is the way the box breaks down. There's 3 levels that you can choose from. Every single thing has been customized to where you can get a fully, completely customized box for yourself. So first of all, she has 3 different tiers to accommodate anybody's budget. First, there is the Bronze Bear option. And guys, this is basically $30 for the box. It's $29.99. So a lot of times I'm just going to go ahead and round up that cent and call it $30, okay? You'll just have to forgive me. It's easier for me to remember that way. But in this box, you get 3 customizable options, and you do get a bonus item in your box. So that is going to mean that you have got 4 total items within this box. And for every single box, there is a tree being planted. If you don't know anything about Jess, she is very eco-friendly. She is cruelty-free. Her box is going to be cruelty-free. So she is all about doing things that are good for the environment, good for global sustainability. That type of a box is what you've got here. The next level up is the Silver Bear option. And this is going to be $45 a box. $44.99. And it has got 5 customizable options, plus you get 2 bonus options. You get the previous Bronze Bear option, that bonus item, and you get the silver bonus option. Then the next level up is going to be the Gold Bear option, and that is a $60 option. You get to customize 7 products in your box, and you are going to be getting 3 bonus items. All 3 bonus items, bronze, silver, and gold. And of course, still each box is planting that treat. Then if you are wanting more of the surprise box feel and you don't want to do any customizations, she's got you covered on that too, because she's got a Surprise Bear box. That is a $22 box, $21.99, and that is coming with 3 items in that box, and that will be curated by Jess herself. So there's no customizations on that, but it's more of a mystery box style option. So far we've had 8 items that have been spoiled, and they've been spoiled by fellow YouTube creators. Jess has been so generous to let some of the YouTube creators that got her first box, the winter box, spoil some of the items for her along with her. Delia Skincare is a cruelty-free, vegan, clean skincare brand. We're going to have 3 different serums to choose from Delia Skincare. And they are the Balancing Serum, and it looks like this. Then we are also going to be able to choose the Rejuvenating Serum, and it looks like this. Or we could choose the Hydrating Serum. So depending upon what skin type you have, you can choose a serum that's going to fit your skincare needs the best. Let me tell you about each one of these serums so you know which one, when it comes time to make your selection, that you want to choose. Let's start out with the Balancing Serum. So the Balancing Serum, again, it looks like this. It has a little sunflower right on the front, and this one smells divine. I love the way this one smells. Of course, you know, it's an all-natural smell, but it's just very, very pleasant. The ingredients for the Balancing Serum: sunflower seed oil, hence it's got the sunflower right on the front, jojoba seed oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, lemongrass oil, and that's the beautiful, beautiful smell that I'm smelling, bergamot, and ylang ylang. Now, if you know anything about essential oils, then you'll know that that's why this is called a Balancing Serum. This serum is going to be best for those that are suffering from acne or need some type of an oil that's going to help clear out their pores. So the essential oil ylang ylang that's in this particular serum, it does have those properties that fight P. acnes and Staph aureus. So it makes it a great ingredient to put in skincare that is focusing on fighting acne. So this one is just a really good skincare option if you have that type of skin. If you battle breakouts, if you have clogged pores, or that type of skin where you need a little bit of help with acne issues, then maybe the Balancing Serum is the one for you to try, and it smells divine. Let's move on over to one that I am really, really excited about, and that is the Hydrating Serum. So the Hydrating Serum is also a more yellow oil, but it's got a carrot on the front. And this one, I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell anything after using the lemongrass first, but this smells divine too. This has apricot kernel oil. It has bran oil, jojoba oil, but the hero ingredient is carrot seed oil. It's also got pomegranate seed oil, vitamin E, grapefruit oil, and sweet orange oil. So while it's got a lot of different oils in this product, it is the carrot seed oil that is so incredible. Carrot seed oil is an antioxidant, so it's going to be one of those ingredients that's going to scavenge those free radicals from our skin, which is what causes us to age in the first place. And it also has benefits for toning the skin, so toning muscles, tissues, as well as for your stomach. The next one is the Rejuvenating Serum, and this one is the bright orange color, and I do believe that this is a apricot on the front. And so let me tell you the ingredients in this one. It has apricot kernel oil, jojoba seed oil, rosa canina oil, so there's your rosehip seed oil. It has vitamin E, Frankincense is in this one, and lavender. Apricot oil is so good for the skin. It's been shown to alleviate dryness and add moisture to the dry prone skin type. If you're having dryness issues, this might be the serum for you. And it can really help for people who are suffering from eczema. So if you have very, very dry skin, eczema prone skin, this would be a great serum to try. And this one is the one that's bright orange, has a good scent, and the scent is coming from all of the natural oils that are in the products, nothing artificial added, no fragrance added, but it's just all of the different oils that are in the serum itself. So yes, all of these you can use on your hair as well. Hair, nails, and skin. Whether you're choosing from hydrating, balancing, or rejuvenating, all three of these serums have a suggested retail of $40 per bottle. Let me know down in the comments which serum are you most wanting. They're very, very moisturizing, and it only takes a very small amount to do the job. I'm sure that the product is going to last you a long time. You're only using a few drops to do your whole entire face, and this is a full 1 ounce bottle. We have had so far, Jess has spoiled the first two spoilers, and these were the exclusive items because there are 2 exclusive items to the box. One is for the Goldiebox members, and that exclusive item is a $30 Skin & Co. Truffle Eye Therapy Cream that's retailing for $30 MSRP. Then she also spoiled Diff Eyewear's blue light glasses, and there's 2 styles of those. One is the Ridley style, and the other style is more of an aviator type style glasses. So they're very lightweight. They are not, they're in a wire type frame, so they're not going to add any weight to your face because, as you know, blue light glasses really help to alleviate migraine headaches. She has just, you know, been so thoughtful with her curations of this box. Then we've had Auntie Christy, and she spoiled this is called Bazic is what it's called. It is a 3D molding clay, and it's all colors for you to have a family-friendly option if you want to get something for your kids, your grandkids, something to do with the family. But this just looked absolutely amazing. All the channels are going to be linked down in my description box, along with the MSRP of the product and the product names if you want to do some research on your own to make your list before it's time to actually customize your box. By the way, customizations occur on the very first day of the season. So this customization will occur on the first day of spring, which is March the 20th. Then we had Bits of Tea and Beauty, and she actually spoiled one of the things that I want so bad, and that is the Swig Life's tea infuser. Oh my goodness, I love Swig. I have so many of their cups. I have their coffee cup, I have their wine cup, I have their big huge cup. I have everything Swig in my life, so I can't wait to get the tea diffuser that will fit in my Swig cups, although it'll fit in any cup. And if you watch the video, you're gonna know that it'll fit in any cup. It's a wonderful video, so go on over there and check that one out. Then we have my good friend Karen Luana, and oh my goodness, she spoiled the 3 bangle bracelets, and this is from World Finds. And if you choose this bracelet, then you get your choice of whether you want gold, silver, or copper. And the bangles are also meant to be stacked, and those are going to be available, I believe Karen said they were going to be available in the shop. So you can add on more to your style and wear them more, you know, like a bangle to add with your bracelet. But I am definitely got my eye on that one, and they're kind of hammered. And so, wow, those look so good. Then my friend Clara Barrera, she spoiled the base blue cupcake soap, and this is so cute. I actually have had this, and oh my goodness, my grandkids go crazy over this, and it's just adorable. So that's one of the items that you can choose to pick. Then we had Alicia Martin. She spoiled something I have never heard of, but I have to try this. It's called whipped soap, and this is from Sophia Rinkert. And like I said, all of the names are going to be down in the description box, and you can go and look this up. This whipped, luxurious type of a soap. And if you know anything about me, I am crazy about a bath and crazy to just experience bar soaps, any kind of soaps. I'm really big into bath salts and more of the bar soap type, or a whipped soap looks just like it would be to die for. So I'm really excited about that option. So yeah, so those are the spoilers that have been spoiled so far. And let me tell you, the good stuff's not over. So keep on watching for those spoilers, because the good stuff, there's still some fantastic spoilers coming up. So keep watching, guys. So there they are, guys. This is the 9th spoiler for the Spring 2021 Goldie Boxed box. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you're interested in picking up one of these serums as one of your customization choices, and if so, which one are you interested in? I think you're really gonna love these serums if you choose this as one of your customization options. Oh, I am so tickled to be able to experience these. But let me know down in the comments. Also, down in my description box, I will be linking all of the products with the suggested retail prices for you that have been spoiled so far. Also, I will link Jess's playlist of all of the videos for the spoilers so far. We are almost there, guys, for customization day. What are you choosing? Let me know. Out of the spoilers that have been spoiled so far, what are you going to be picking up from your Goldie box? I'm so excited. I cannot wait to make my customizations. If you haven't picked up Goldie Boxed, I do have a link down below. It's Unfiltered 10, and you can save some money on your very own Goldie Boxed. I appreciate you watching today's video. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel and you think you'd like the content on the channel, click the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. I'll see you in my next video, guys. But until then, bye till next time.